All right. Hello, friends. I am making a video version of the directions that you currently have in front of you for how to log in to PeerGrade. So you can either follow these step by step or you can follow along with me. You are going to go to PeerGrade, which should be split screen for you right over here right now. When you log in, please log in with Google and you should see Comp Class of 2024, all classes. If you do not see that, the code is in the directions. Once you click that, you will have one assignment to turn in called argumentative writing. I'll log in as this student. And this is what you should see. You are going to click the green button and then scroll down to submit your work. On this page, if you scroll down, you will see that you have this Google Drive button. You do not need to cut and paste your work. If you hit Google Drive, it will automatically link with your science and tech email address. And then you can turn in your Module 6 letter supported outline or the draft, depending on which structure you chose in step 3. Select the correct document, wait for it to upload, and once that is done, you're going to hit submit. This will take you directly to the next step, which is to review peers' work, and we will start that in video number 2, which is step 5. I'll see you in step 5.